I can practice letter sounds. My turn first. T, top, t. Your turn. B, bat, b. F, fun, N, nut, n. M, man, m. I, itch, I. U, up, C, cat, k. O, octopus, ah. A, apple, ah. G, game, g. D, dog, d. S, snake, s. E, ed, eh. R, rat, r. P, pan, p. J, jug, j. L, lamp, l. H, hat, h. K, kite, k. V, van, v. W, wind, w. Y, yellow, y. X, fox, x. Z, zebra, z. Q, U, queen, qu. Now it's time for our vowel extensions. I'm going to begin with the vowel, the short A. My turn first. A, apple, a. Everybody. A, apple, a. One more time. A, apple, a. Short vowel E. My turn first. E, ed, eh. Everybody. E, ed, eh. One more time. E, ed, eh. Short vowel I. My turn first. I, itch, I. Everybody. I, itch, I. One more time. I, itch, I. Short vowel O. My turn first. O, octopus, ah. Everybody. O, octopus, ah. One more time. O, octopus, ah. Short vowel U. My turn first. U, up, One more time. U, up, Let's hear it. U, up,